Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're going to be going over a coin that we talked about previously, about 2 weeks ago now, which is called EverReflect. Guys, as you can see, you guys absolutely went crazy with this video. We've got 1.7 thousand views. So thank you very much for that. Appreciated. So what we're talking about today, we're going to go over the chart. We're going to go about talking about this NFT prototype they have. It's about tickets. So, like, if you don't know what NFTs are, guys, go have a look, do your research. But anyway, for those who do know NFTs, you can do all kinds of NFTs. You know, it's not just about art. You can make passive income. You can stake your NFTs and make money. You can have all like your legal documents on it. So if you want to go buy a house, you could literally store your legal documents via NFTs. You could sell tickets. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. EverReflect, they are wanting to get into the NFT ticket world, I suppose. So like you can go buy tickets for the Super Bowl via an NFT. You know, it's all legit. You are the owner of that NFT. You are the owner of that legal document. You have proof. There's evidence. There's all there. So we're going to go through that. I'm going to go show you the website of their prototype, which is really nice that they have it. So to be honest with you guys, the chart is not looking pretty. It's looking pretty dull. Looks very bare. Doesn't look very good at all. However, it does look like over the past week or so, the price is slowly kind of, smoothed out a bit. The floor might have been found. It could only be going up from here, or it could go down even more, obviously. But it is at a very low right now. I don't see it going too further down. They're continually working on the project. There's still community, people talking in the chats. The team are always posting new updates. So again, could be a great opportunity to buy. It's only at a 2.7 million market cap. So again, you could easily maybe make a 10x, 20x from this if things continue to keep going as they are and they keep developing their projects and they do come out on time. Could be a decent investment. Obviously join the Discords, the Telegram, check out the website and do your own research for yourself. Talk with the team. EJ, who's the owner of this project, very nice guy. Talk to him quite often. He understands, how to make a project grow. He seems like he knows what he's doing. Do you know what I mean? So, okay, that's the chart. It's not looking too pretty. Could have hit the floor. If the bull run is still continuing, which I believe it will do, then this project could follow the rest of the market and go crazy highs, right? That's what I think. I hope so. That's what I believe. So, guys, here is the NFT tickets prototype website. So basically all this is like how it would work. So you go on here, oh, I want to buy a ticket for the Crypto Fest, buy now. Obviously you can't buy anything right now because it's a prototype, but it's really good for investors like big whales or anyone really, even small or big, to come on here and be like, okay, they've actually got a design which actually looks really pretty. Like, I love how this works. I just like the look of everything they've done here. But it's great. But NFT tickets is such a risky thing to get into. I don't think there's many people trying to do it right now. However, I think once the technology and things move along, it will become a big thing. People with more money will try to take advantage of that. However, EverReflect are dedicated to getting this, this out. It looks great from the prototype. If they can get big names on it, like Gary Vee, they've got shown here, maybe Super Bowl tickets, anything like that, then this will instantly blow up. But again, it's very risky. It's like investing into a startup business. So it's one of them. You've got to like just start in the beginning. You got to hope the team, you just want to make sure there's updates coming out. You've got to put your trust in the team. You've got to be involved with the community. Make sure you're checking in, things are getting done. But I'm very, very, very impressed with how the prototype is already. Let's actually see what happens. If I click buy now, what will happen? Let's just have a little look at this. So it loads up. And okay, so it takes you to a whole page. Obviously, guys, like I said, you can't actually buy anything right now. But I like that they've got the option to check it out, to see how it looks like. And then I do like the layout. It's nice, pretty. It's not disgusting. It's nice to look at. So yeah, very impressed with the prototype. But yeah, guys, is it worth checking out? I'd say so. It is a passive income project. So whenever you buy and sell, there will be reflections that go out to holders and you're just getting passive income for holding. Obviously, it depends on the volume. The more volume, the more passive income you get. Right now, there's not much volume, but who knows, in the next week, month, or year, the volume could be like $1 million per day. That's decent income if you're, you know, holding for long term, if you have a decent sized bag. So yeah, that's Ever Reflect, guys. I think the NFT prototype looks amazing. I think it's ambitious. I think it's a great way to, you know, go with a project, because it's not, I don't see many people trying to do this right now. So yeah, I think it's pretty good. I think it's clever to kind of get into. So yeah, very impressed. And lastly, guys, I just want to say thank you for the big support on that video. I think it was fantastic. If you haven't watched it yet, guys, go check it out above here. Just go click that. We talk about how the project works in terms of the passive income a bit more. We go a bit more in depth. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.